In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide last seen on WhatsApp or even the online status so people cannot see when you are online. Okay, let's get started. Okay, in this channel, we don't waste time, we just dive right into the content our viewers are looking for. Okay, open WhatsApp app, then click on the three dots to the top right. This one, make sure you follow every step here so you don't make any mistake that will ruin the whole process. Okay, now tap on settings, then now there are a lot of things here that you can work on, but now what we are focusing on here is the privacy button. This one here, just tap on it, the second option from the top, privacy. Okay, now you will see a place for last seen, the first option at the top, this one. Now who can see my last seen, set it to nobody. Then who can see when I'm online, then set it to same as last seen, so your contacts will not know whenever you are online. Okay, I hope this helped, guys. Let's meet in the next video. Peace out.